Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, aka Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am giving you guys an updated flat twist out. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we're working on 2-week hair. I basically get in the shower, shampoo, condition, and deep condition as usual. Right now I'm deep conditioning. That's how my hair looks like when it's deep conditioned. I rinse out with cold water, and this is how my natural hair is looking with no product in it. And then I am just going to section out the parts that I'm going to start my flat twist with. And I basically do a triangle, so I have 3 different sections that I'm working with, because this time this is the product that I'm using is Camille Rose, the almond gyme twisting butter. Oh, it's so bomb and it smells so great. So I use that about that amount for each thick section. But this time around for my flat twist, I am doing them in chunkier sizes. And I want to thank one of my subscribers, Jasmine, for that tip, because not only am I saving time, but it just comes out so much better and fluffier the way that I really like it. So thank you so much. I was working on my hair as if I had like long hair, and no, I don't. So I got shorter hair, so I got to deal with my styles differently. So anyways, right here, I'm using Eco Styling Gel. Now this is going to help set and have a stronger hold. I've tried my flat twists out with the twisting butter alone, and it comes out nice and fluffy. Sorry about that. That's Max in the background. But anyways, and then I just go in with the chunky flat twists. I don't really have a specific or special way that I do it. I guess that sometimes people do them outwards, and some people do them inwards. I'm just doing them inwards, and some of them are outwards because the way that I do it, it's like not all facing the same way. So I have to pay attention to that in the future if I do want to wear my hair like down in a flat twist. But for this style, I'm basically doing like an afro, fluffy afro, so it didn't really matter how I twisted them down. As I'm going down with my twist, I'm making sure that my hair is detangled, so I go in with the rat tooth comb and just make sure I get all those kinks and stuff out. And another thing that I want to mention is I noticed that these 2 product combination, the Camille Rose and the Eco Styler Gel, was not really a good combination. I've seen like white chunks in my hair, and the way that it just mixed together, I just didn't really, I don't know, it was just not really a great combination. But when my hair was dry, there wasn't any chunky twists or the chunky flakes, the white flakes like you see in the back of my hair. That was all gone, but I don't know, I just didn't really like how it mixed together. So I don't usually have that problem, but I kind of did have that problem with those 2 products together, so I probably won't mix those again. So the next morning, I just let my hair dry overnight, and I'm using my favorite Naturals Pure Avocado Oil. This is like a daily oil, but I don't use oil on a daily basis, but I can if I wanted to, and I would use this just because it's lightweight and it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy. But you could see that I only had like 2 drops because with the twisting butter, it's really thick and creamy, so I don't want to add like so many oils on top of it. Otherwise, my hair is going to be feeling like a grease ball. So yeah, I'm taking down my hair. It's a lot easier to take down my hair too when I have that gel is sitting in my hair, because I don't have to really, I mean, I'm going to get frizz regardless, but it's just, I don't really have to pay attention as much because the gel has, like I said earlier, like a nicer hold. So I'm just unraveling my twists. I don't really have a special way of unraveling. Like I said, you could probably tell like these twists are facing forward. If you look, like I kind of twisted them forward towards me, and then on the other side I twisted them backwards. But anyways, these twists, like they came out so good. There goes my twist right here, and here goes it unraveled, but they came out so defined and so healthy looking and so shiny. I was very impressed, although I didn't like the texture and the way that those two products were working while I was doing it. I mean, the results were bomb and my hair looked really healthy with these products. If you just see how shiny and defined it is, I was really excited. So this was my hair that I did. I decided to go for the Afro, big Afro look. I haven't had my hair big like this in so long, so I wanted to try that out. I really honestly miss my hair doing this. It's been a long time since my hair has stood up in the air like this, but yeah, here goes my final results. You don't have to pick as much if you don't want the whole Afro thing, especially on day one. I know, I think this style only lasted for 3 days before I was like, okay, I gotta do something else, to do another flat twist or something. But I love this look. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.